Hi, kids.
You guys say hi to Mama in her iPad?
Jane, say hi to the camera. Hi, Bean.
Luke, can you say hi? Show Mama the...
Luke, where's Mama? Hi. Good girl. You have a bell ornament? Good
Good
boy,
job,
Luke. He's trying so hard. Be careful, gentle. Jane, how old are you right now? Almost 3. Oh no, yeah, that's why I need to be gentle. Hey Luke, do you like this Christmas tree? You don't remember last year's, buddy.
Hey, do you want me to help you hang this? Should we help, buddy?
Yeah.
Ready? Good to help you? Where should we put him? Maybe right...
Good boy.
We did it, Luke.
That's Santa. All right.